Hello, it's Carla from Scrap and Create, and I'm here to share with you our July folio. So since January, I've been doing this series of monthly folios, and this is what I came up with for the month of July. This is using an older collection from Graphic 45, the Sunkist collection. I used the 8x8 pack and a half a pack, 10 pages of the 12x12 collection to make this. Now there's going to be some extra paper left over, so I will be making a mini album using the leftover paper. So this is the front cover. I just think the colors in this are so beautiful. So this is what it looks like. Has a 5/8 of an inch spine, and here is the back. So when you open it up, it looks like this, which I think is so pretty, and held by a magnetic closure like all of our folios, 6.5 by 8, same dimensions. So open this up and we come to our acetate pocket, and this is where I put our monthly calendar. This is the month of July. So these I make, and these are free downloadables that you can get from our website. I'll have a link where you can get this down in the description box below. So if you want this size, the 5x7, which is about what I have, you would print it at 60%. So this goes in here. And obviously this is a scored pocket, so there is more room to add more photo mats if you wish. So we open this up. Here's our little notch. So we open it up and we come to this spread. I always like to include a waterfall because this waterfall will give us lots of photo space. So there's going to be 12 places where you can add your 4x6 photos just in this one area right here. And I used it using the front cover of the 8x8 collection to make this, and I think that came out real nice. And we have our two pockets, our side pockets, and these are scored pockets also. So I just made 4x6 photo mats using the paper, and here are some of the cut aparts from the 12x12 collection. These are so cute. And here's the photo mat from this side, and another little cut apart from the 12x12. That goes in there. So we close this, and here's our little notch. Open this up. Now this page is where you showcase a photo. So this will easily hold a 4x6 photo. This isn't quite 4x6, but it would be something like that. So usually I like to showcase one of the photos from the summer when we went to the beach here. So that would go there. And then I had to use these sea turtles. I just loved these sea turtles, and I ended up making another envelope because I love making these accordion envelopes. Lots of room in there with a magnetic closure, and the sea turtles are flowing into this envelope and floating out. This is the 12x12 paper right here. And what I'm thinking of doing, this is going to be a little journal that I'm going to put in here for the summer or summertime. So I'm going to make that, put that in there, or you can put lots of photos in here. There's like, see, there's lots of room in there. That closes up. This all closes up. And there you have it, our month of July folio. And like I said, there's leftover paper, so what I want to do is make a mini album like I showed you last month. This is using Voyage Beneath the Sea by Graphic 45. That was our monthly folio last month, and I had leftover paper, and I made this mini album, which I showed you last month. I did the walkthrough on this. So what I want to do with this collection is make a similar album. using the same design and hopefully the same elements. So I'm going to get started working on that, and I'll get back and show you that also. But this is July, our monthly July folio, and I hope you like it. I love this vintagey, bright, happy paper from Graphic 45. So all the materials that you'll need will be listed in the description box below also. So I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.